Good morning. This is a market update. I want to show you something very important with you. This is a golden cross that happened on the 3-day MA on the Bitcoin, and that is a very bullish sign. You're all aware that I'm kind of swing trader, so that means I'll wait a little bit longer for me to enter trades, and I would like to see a long-term indications, and that's why I have a 3-day MA and not a daily MA. There's nothing wrong with you doing the daily MA, it's just my kind of approach. I watch the 3-day MA because I want to have less noise for my MA indicators. So, golden cross happened. If you are aware of the term golden cross, you understand what I'm talking about. For the people that don't know what golden cross means, is when the 50 period MA, which is the yellow one, the golden one, crosses above and over the 200 period MA, which is a purple one. And this is a very bullish indication. That doesn't happen very often because we do know that AMAs are lagging indicators, and also I'm using the 3-day as well, so that will make it more rare when you're going to see that happening. Yeah. So if we can look back in history, and I'll give you a little bit insight. When was the last time that we got a golden cross? A golden cross happened back in 2019. Yeah, we got a golden cross, and Bitcoin was doing a little bit consolidation. Yeah, like price discovery, came down, did a small test on the support, and then after that it was all bullish, and it went all the way up, skyrocketing. So we get exactly the same signal now. We have a golden zone here, right? So there's nothing for you now. This is not a time for you to get FOMO. Yes, this is not a FOMO. This is for you to get prepared. We have the indication of the golden cross, and I will still expect for Bitcoin to come down and retest this major support trend line, which comes all the way down from the region of 15k and 16k. So that support trend line is after Christmas, yeah, past Christmas of 2022. So still bullish, and you should be as well. And you're going to be bullish until something change. And when you're going to change your mind, when and if Bitcoin breaks that trend line, comes up, retests that trend line, get rejected, goes back, and that means it's not a fake out. Yes, when you get a retest and then you're respecting that trend line, instead of support, now it will switch to resistance, and it goes down. That will be the moment for you to think about it, that you may start thinking bearish for Bitcoin. But for the time being, we are still bullish for the Bitcoin. This is a daily chart. I still believe that Bitcoin has a little bit all the way coming down to retest this support trend line. So don't go crazy now, don't FOMO, don't fear. This is a very good indication for me. Remember, because we got the 3-day golden cross, doesn't mean that we'll start shift straight away. It's going to take a few more days. Yes, this is like an early sign. So I'm not saying the bull market is right at the corner. but it's a very, very good, solid indication. And remember, last time it happened 2019. So, a very, very good sign. So, we are heading towards the bull market. Hasn't started yet, but we're heading for the bull market. So, if Bitcoin respects the support trend line, we have another solid indication that we're going to go up, right? So that was a quick market update. This is a very nice solid event, and I wanted to make sure that you all see it and you're all aware. So I want to share this information with you and to give you a little bit of, a little bit of not hopium, but for you to feel good that Bitcoin is still looking good. Yeah, we still are bullish. Never mind that's been a little bit boring lately. Yeah, it's a little bit sideways, a little bit downwards. We get some large movements going up and down, and a lot of people got stopped out because they're very tight, or they're doing high leverage because they're looking maybe on a very, very small time frames. But remember that I always say that you need quite often to look on the bigger picture. This is the daily chart. Golden Crowns had formed. I still expect Bitcoin to come and retest this support trend line that comes all the way from December. Market is looking good, guys. Yes, start getting prepared. Yes, you are in a very good spot time-wise. Yes, your timing is good. So get ready. Don't follow me now. Just get ready. Get prepared. Good days are coming. I'll see you around. Take care.